Galliano here from Boxabl. I am at our new Boxabl factory. The whole thing! This new factory should produce thousands of Casitas. The United States federal government placed an order, very large order for Casitas. We are basically spending the rest of this year setting that factory up, delivering on our first order. Now we just get to focus on this one single customer. We get to get this factory turned on, learn our craft, and then end of the year, we deliver on that order, and then we open up to the general public. That factory is going to be amazing. It's going to be unlike any other modular house factory. I think this is a world-changing product. We've engineered a building system that can build any building type anywhere on the planet. If we are successful with this, we are going to change lives for millions of people, because the plan here is to dramatically lower housing costs for the entire world. Exciting day today at Boxabl. We have our first piece of big equipment arriving here at the new factory. That is a large CNC cutting machine. It's going to be used to process our magnesium oxide ceramic board. So what it will do is we'll load a stack of the wall board, and the CNC machine will feed itself, cut it, and then stack it all automatically. So then that board is used for the interior wall of the Casitas. So we just put this desk in here. What do you think about maybe another desk here, or two person to a desk maybe?
Somebody said make a double decker and have people up high.
Double decker desks.
Yeah, but the feet will be dangling. It's not going to be good. It's not going to be practical at all.
Lots of great memories at the old Boxabl factory. We really did a tremendous amount of research, development, engineering, testing. I think we tried every possible building material, every different combination of wall panels, hinge systems, gasket systems. I probably built and destroyed hundreds and hundreds of wall panels in this building.
Our office will actually end here at this pillar. It goes all the way that way and all the way that way. It'll be 10,000 square feet. We're gonna have open ceilings up to 32-foot clear span, so we can put a two-story home inside of our studio for our guests to see. You can look down here, it will be the full production line. We'll be running all the way down there with banners describing absolutely every station in the process. Our customers will understand the very high quality of the home. And over here in this corner, we will have a 6-seat electric golf cart, and we will be giving pony rides. That's right, just like Disney World. And we will give a whole tour of the factory, because our customers, after all, are our livelihood, and they are number one.
All right, guys, thanks for doing the tour. If you want to learn more, go to boxabl.com, check out our videos, our social media, and get your name on a wait list.
The burning questions that were not answered in the last Boxabl video.
Pretty exciting to have these guys as our initial customer.
Galliano, what do you think of our factory?
I don't know, is the building big enough?
I think so.
A local startup says a box will change the way homes are built.
It's called Boxabl.
Boxabl is kind of like building blocks put together in a matter of hours, and it's planning to make North Las Vegas its hub.